Hello kids! Today we draw some 2D shapes and learn some colors. Let's start. First we draw some 2D shapes. Heart. We are drawing heart shape, kids. It's a heart. Heart. Arrow. Arrow. Arrow shape. Arrow. Pie. Pie. Rhombus. It's a rhombus. Rhombus. Cross. It's a cross shape, kids. Cross. Cross. Circle. Circle. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, brown color, orange color, red color, yellow green color, forest green color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, deep yellow color, light green color. Azalea purple color. Azalea purple color. Yellow oak color. Yellow oak color. Brick brown color. Brick brown color. Cool grey color. Cool grey color. Deep violet color. Deep violet color. Peacock green color. Peacock green color. Heart. Arrow. Pie. Rhombus. Cross. Circle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.